Welcome to the San Diego Zoo, one of the world's most famous wildlife attractions. In today's tour, we're taking you high above the zoo on the Skyfari, where you'll get a bird's-eye view of the incredible habitats below. From there, we'll descend into the Arctic tundra to get up close with some of the zoo's most majestic residents, the polar bears. Watch as they dive into the water, displaying their playful yet powerful nature. Did you know that a polar bear's fur isn't actually white? It's transparent, with each hollow hair reflecting light to give them their snowy appearance. These magnificent creatures can also smell a seal from nearly a mile away, even under 3 feet of snow. As you walk through the zoo, you'll encounter over 12,000 animals, representing more than 650 species and subspecies. With lush, immersive environments designed to mimic their natural habitats, the San Diego Zoo offers a world-class experience that's as educational as it is exciting. So, whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned explorer, there's always something new to discover here at the San Diego Zoo. Let's dive in.
Why is it inverted? I was gonna make a video. Oh, yun yun, yun yun. What's that? That's the Balboa part. Why does San Diego close early? Maybe just this part. Your brothers are awake. Ito yung sinasabi niya na breathe.
You will all find a little Odyssey right in front of us as you speak to the right of the sign there. A little Odyssey with 450. Watch your head.
Probably like negative 2. Cuddly he is.
Yeah, there's another big one over here. Look.
show.
I know, right?
Good show. Ganda.
Yeah. All the way down here, I don't care one way or the other. Hello.
So go back up and take the bridge and go
When they hit here, you can see the
You would get stuck. They try to copy exactly.
Thanks so much for joining us on this incredible journey through the San Diego Zoo. We hope you enjoyed the tour and our up-close look at the amazing polar bears. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more adventures. Your support means the world to us. Until next time, keep exploring